How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I have a very short one but a useful one for you guys if you guys are hoping to replace your thermostat on a 2003 Kia Sorento. Now, it's very easy to get to this thermostat. All you have to basically do is remove your engine cover that covers the engine, and then once you do that, you'll have access to your two fasteners that you need to remove in order to get access to the thermostat. So the reason I'm replacing mine is because you guys can already see it's pretty rusted up and the vehicle was overheating. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that today. I'm actually in the middle of doing a flushing on the vehicle, so that's why I have my thermostat out. But you do want to make sure that you remove all of the coolant out of the vehicle before you do this. To remove the coolant out of the vehicle, go underneath and look for this small plug right here. That is your radiator drain plug. Go ahead and remove that, and then your coolant is going to come out. Make sure that you have something to catch all the coolant. Another important thing is that you should do this when the vehicle is cold so you don't get burnt. Now that you've let your coolant drain, go ahead and remove these two 12mm fasteners. These are actually pretty long. Remove your old thermostat out of the way. As you guys can tell, this one is not in the best shape. This is a comparison between the two thermostats. As you guys can tell, they're identical. Now, you're going to go ahead and transfer your old gasket onto your new thermostat. The reason I'm doing this is because I replaced this one less than 2 years ago. The gasket is still holding up well, so I'm just going to go ahead and reuse it. But if you don't have this gasket, you can purchase it, which is around like $5. So you can do that too, but I know for a fact that this one is still okay, so we're just going to transfer it. Install your replacement thermostat. Make sure that this part is facing inwards towards the inside of the engine. Install the fasteners back on, and you don't have to worry about the size on these. They're both the same length. Go ahead and fasten everything down. Install the drain plug back on and fill up the coolant system with some fresh coolant. This is going to wrap up the end of the video. I hope you guys did find it helpful. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.